Remove the 2 torque screws securing the bottom panel to the glove box assembly. Remove the screws using a T15 Torx driver. Open the glove box. Remove the screws using a T15 Torx driver. Open the glove box. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor.
To remove the housing door, pull on the 2 tabs at the top and then lift upwards to free the bottom hinges.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1225 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch first, then press to lock the top. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Close the glove box. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the screws.
Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.